Hi, I'm Israel Allen. This is a breakdown of my hit song, B-Man Spoonfest. The song was released about a year ago on December 4th to critical acclaim, enjoyed by all, hated by none. This is a video breakdown on the process of making it and the inspiration for it and basically everything surrounding it. I've been asked a lot of questions about it, and this is the all-in-one guide to it. Let's get right into it. For this review, we're using a Player Telecaster with a Fender Champion 20 amp. Settings mostly focused on reverb and delay for a nice ethereal vibe. The pick I'm using is Brian's pick that I stole, but Brian doesn't watch my videos, so I should be in the clear to keep this thing forever. Okay, let's get right into it. Starting off, the song starts immediately with a slide up in the first fret to the equivalent an octave higher, into this kind of sort of scale exercise, right? It's based off of it's the same scale as the song Sunflower Vampire Weekend. That's where I got the scale from. It's like a that definitely inspired the song a lot, and so did the movie Coraline. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The movie Coraline. The sort of this kind of like extended major scale was used a lot in the movie for a lot of the other world scenes. So I kind of picked up on that for the feel of this song. So it starts off. Kind of following this scale. The first part, I think is almost like a run or like a loop of sorts, kind of coming back on itself. Only to end with a almost like a falling motion of a. And then just when you reach the ground, it's a false ground into a. So you fall all the way down. And when you hit the ground, it's a new scale, it's a new world, right? Instead of this, it's a more simplified major scale. So after that, you hit the ground, it goes into an arpeggiated E flat chord. And then a melody line, and then almost a mirror melody line on the string up from it. So. The effect of the arpeggiating the chord gives with the reverb and the delay, for whatever reason, makes this really cool, almost like bellow from a chord that isn't played. It's like I like the sound of it a lot, and the melody lines, of course. Both mirrored. I like to think of it as almost like a false mirror, right? So you got the which stays in the key, and then almost stay in the key, but it's like a little bit off, you know? It's not in the scale, it's still in the key, but it's not in the scale we're using. So it's like a mirror. It's the same, but it's different, you know? Ending it off, I try to stick this note in really hard. It's not in the scale whatsoever, and I like to think of it as the illusion breaking, and then back, so it's from here back into the... back to the running looping motion, and then falling again. But this time, you've reached home. And all together it sounds something like this. And that's the song, B-Man Spoonfest. A little fun trivia about it. My first song that I recorded on this bad boy. Released to critical hatred for some reason. This one really ruffled some feathers. I usually use the excuse you hate him because you ain't him, and I'm fucking shredding and you're not. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, like and subscribe for more B-Man Spoonfest content. The album drops November 14th, so be ready. Be ready. That's gonna be my next song.